Your energy revives me, allows me to unburden my soul, my mind.
Welcome back.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that.
Hey y'all, it's That's So Chaz. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be doing some knotless braids, so stay tuned for some magic. These are all the products that you will need for this style. I pre-section my hair ahead of time to make the whole process quicker, and this is about how thick I want each of my braids to be. As you can see, I've already done 2 rows, and now I'm just going to get ready to part the next row. Now I'm going to separate the hair into 5 strands, going from smallest to biggest. Now all I do is part one section and apply some edge control. Then I split my hair into 3 small sections and I begin to braid, and I braid down twice. Now I begin to add in my hair, and I put it between my thumb and my pointer finger, and 1 strand goes in the middle and 1 goes on top, and I add each time my hand gets back to the same side. Once I fed in all the strands, I just continue to braid like normal. The braid is very lightweight and easy to move, like it doesn't hurt at all. And this is what it looks like when I finished all the back of my hair. Some of the parts aren't as straight, but it's good enough for me. Alright, so I'm just gonna let y'all continue to watch the video, put on some music for y'all, and I'll see y'all at the end. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.
Your energy revives me, allows